Okay, we're talking about natural log now, and the derivative rule. If we're taking the derivative of a natural log, the derivative of natural log is 1 over x, or 1 over the argument of your natural log, times the chain rule, which is the derivative of your argument. So whatever this happens to be here will end up in your denominator, and then you will multiply it by its own derivative. Okay, and then do the algebra to simplify. So let's see some of these in action. Natural log of 2x minus 3. So this is your argument, the 2x minus 3 part. Okay, that would be represented by x in our natural log function. So as we take the derivative, it becomes 1 over 2x minus 3 times by the derivative of 2x minus 3, which is 2. So our final simplification becomes 2 over 2x minus 3. Okay? So remember, this is the equation that you would use to find the slope of the tangent line at any point along the natural log of 2x minus 3. Okay, so how about we go down and look at the natural log of cosine. Okay, so here, cosine is your x value, okay, your inner, and the natural log is the outer. So the derivative becomes 1 over cosine times the derivative of cosine, which is negative sine. So simplifying, we have negative sine over cosine. And those of you that remember your trig know this is the tangent, the negative tan. So the derivative of natural log cosine x is the negative of the tangent. Okay, let's scoot over here, and we have the natural log of 3x squared plus 2x. So let's see what the derivative of this is going to be. So we have f prime is 1 over 3x squared plus 2x times the derivative of 3x squared plus 2x, which is 6x plus 2. Okay, so our last step would be to do some algebraic simplification and have a numerator of 6x plus 2 and a denominator of 3x squared plus 2x. So this would be the function that represents the derivative, or the slope of the tangent line at any point x on our original graph. Okay, so it's...
Yeah, it's not. You should just pay attention. It's so easy.
Okay, so our last one is the natural log of a radical. So we are definitely going to be using lots of rules, particular chain rules. So f prime equals 1 over the square root of 2x minus 4 times the derivative of 2x, or root 2x minus 4. So it's 1 over 2 times the root of 2x minus 4. Every radical has that as its derivative. 1 over 2 times the root of itself there, times the derivative of your inner function, which is going to be 2. Okay, so that is how we do the calculus. Now let's talk about the algebra. So our 2 multiplies through on the numerator, and we have a 2 in the denominator, but I also have a radical times itself. And when you have a radical times itself, well, the radical cancels itself out, right? The square is square root, and it's done. So let's see, the 2 over the 2 can divide out, and we get 1 over 2x plus 4 as the final algebraic answer
Minus 4.
for the derivative of natural log root 2x minus 4.
That's going to be so funny.
Okay, so here are some natural log derivatives. 1 over x times the derivative of your arguments.